The Nothing Phone 3 is generating buzz, but not necessarily for the right reasons. Despite the anticipation, the latest leaks and reports point to a device that may once again fall into the trap of being more hype than substance. On paper, the specs sound competitive. A 6.77-inch 1.5K AMOLED LTPO display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. It's rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Impressive. Maybe in 2023. But in 2025, this is the new baseline, not a leap forward. Tipster Abhishek Yadav, VRX, backs a July 2025 launch, consistent with Nothing's previous flagship schedules in 2022 and 2023. CEO Carl Pei has teased heavy AI integration with features like Circle to Search, Smart Drawer, and a custom AI assistant. But these aren't groundbreaking. They're echoes of what Google and Samsung have already perfected. The camera department is seeing an upgrade too, boasting a triple 50-megapixel setup, main, ultra-wide, and a periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom. A 32-megapixel or even 50-megapixel front camera with 4K video recording is also in the cards. But while the numbers are climbing, they don't translate to meaningful differentiation, especially when the Pixel 9 Pro is redefining smartphone photography through advanced AI. When it comes to design, it's a disappointment. The same transparent back, the now familiar glyph lights, and a new essential key for shortcuts. But unfortunately, the design feels more like recycled identity than fresh innovation. The glyph interface, once novel, now feels more like a party trick, especially in a market where Apple's dynamic island and Xiaomi's evolving UI bring real utility. The battery setup is rumored to be either 5,000 mAh or 5,300 mAh, with 50-watt fast charging and 20-watt wireless support. Additional leaks from Nothing CMF fans on X suggest potential features like an IP68 rating and UFS 4.0 storage. The brand's emphasis on AI-driven features like real-time voice transcription and personalized assistance suggests a push towards smarter experiences. But again, these feel more like catch-up efforts in a race others are already winning. When you compare the Phone 3 with its rivals, the weaknesses become painfully clear. Samsung's Galaxy S25 is expected to ship with the more powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chip and a refined software ecosystem. Google's Pixel 9 Pro is pushing AI boundaries with photography and contextual smarts. Even value players like the OnePlus 13R outshine the Phone 3 in key areas like charging speed, build quality, and raw performance. Put simply, the Nothing Phone 3 feels like a phone designed for 2023, releasing in 2025. It recycles old ideas, imitates existing AI features, and adds small tweaks to justify a price hike. With rivals pushing the envelope in materials, power efficiency, and smart features, Nothing's slow, iterative climb might be too little, too late. The launch is reportedly slated for mid-July 2025, likely around the 15th, with pricing expected between 45,000 to 50,000 rupees in India and $550 to $600 globally. Unless Nothing has a major curveball planned, this release risks being not only underwhelming but forgettable.